So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Worldcoin, ticker symbol WLD, on Kraken. So once Kraken is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on Buy Crypto. At the top here, press on the search bar, type in ticker symbol WLD. Press on WorldCoin right here. Now type in the amount of WorldCoin you're looking to buy. So if I did $20 as an example, you can also go to Apple Pay right here and select your payment method. If you want to proceed, press on the purple arrow. On this page right here, you can confirm the amount, the price, the fee, the total that you would be paying, as well as the payment method, in this case Apple Pay. You can also go down and press I understand if you want to press I understand, and then press confirm at the bottom if you want to proceed with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can buy Worldcoin, ticker symbol WLD, on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.